One of the better things about this scorching Indian summer season is that it is placed with the king of fruits, none other than mango. Apart from enjoying raw mango with black salt or chili powder, this mango chutney is another way to relish this seasonal fruit, a favorite amongst all ages. This is a quick style mango chutney recipe with a distinct taste and flavor. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin season first mango chutney, and the ingredients are sugar, this cherry, with that lemon, red chili whole, black salt, ghee, and our lovely raw mango of this summer season. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take the raw mango, rinse it properly. Then, with the help of a knife, remove the edges, and then with the peeler, remove the entire skin from this raw mango. Over here, I am using 2 raw mango. After peeling the skin off with the help of a blader, I will make thin slices. As I am making a thin slice, so this chutney will not take more than 5 to 6 minutes to cook. So you can say it is an instant sweet mango chutney. Thus with that, this mango chutney is super duper easy to make and gets ready in just 10 minutes. Apart from serving it as a condiment with your meals, you can relish it as a dip with your choice of snacks and starter. Try having it with stuffed potatoes, it's just mind blowing. Now keep these slices of raw mango aside. On the other side, take the cherries. This is also called Indian cherries. Now with a knife, cut it into small pieces, and again you keep this aside for the later part of the recipe. On the other side, take a pan, and once the pan heat up, then add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, and then add 2 red chili whole, and once it start to splatter, add the julienne raw mango which you have done just now. Once you add the entire julienne mangoes, quickly stir it well for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we need to add 1 cup of sugar. By the way, you need to adjust the sugar level according to the tanginess of this raw mango. In my case, these mangoes were very tangy, so I need to add 1 cup of sugar plus half cup of sugar to adjust the taste. Over here, I want to inform you a pro trick. At first, the mixture will appear dry like this. But after cooking it for 1 to 2 minutes, as the sugar melts, it will become thin and slippery like this. So no need to add water and nothing to worry about. Keep the flame as low as possible, then add half teaspoon of rock salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for the color of this chutney. After adding these two, then stir it quickly and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes so that it becomes thick and the raw mango becomes soft too. Now after a few minutes, you will see your chutney has become thick enough. No need to cook further or else it will too thick. At this point of time, switch off the flame and add the cherry which you have cut at the beginning of the recipe. Though if you don't have this cherry, nothing to worry, you can add pomegranate or raisin or cashew. Next, at last, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, stir well, and then transfer this to a serving bowl, or you can also place this in an airtight container and you can store it for around 3 months. Of course, in refrigerator. And if you love fruit chutney, this is must try, and I'm sure you will turn back to this time and again. So what are you waiting for? Just run to your nearest market and grab some raw mango and make this chutney today. And if you think this chutney is worth it, don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, enjoy this summer with lot of mango. See you again. Till then, bye bye.